Compact design. The BENFEI DisplayPort to HDMI adapter connects a computer, laptop or devices with DisplayPort to a monitor, projector, TV with HDMI port. Tuck this lightweight gadget into pocket to do a presentation. Extend your desktop to a monitor or TV. Superior stability. Built-in advanced IC chip converts DisplayPort signal to HDMI signal. It is not a bi-directional converter and cannot transmit signals from HDMI to DisplayPort. Incredible performance. This converter supports up to 1920x1080 at 60Hz, 1080p, including 720p, 1600 by 1200, 1280 by 1024 for monitors or projectors. Gold-plated DisplayPort connector resists corrosion and abrasion and improve the signal transmission performance. Latches design. DisplayPort connector with latches provides a secure connection. The latches will improve the connection stability in usage. When plug out, please press the release button, and easy to pull out. 18-month warranty. Exclusive BENFEI unconditional 18-month warranty ensures long-time protection of your purchase. Friendly and easy to reach customer service to solve your problems timely. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for me, no issues at all. Plugged it into DisplayPort on video card, then plugged HDMI cable from monitor into this adapter. Quick and easy. Monitor is older and doesn't have DisplayPort, so I thought I'd give this a try and it works great.